In this tutorial I will show you how to share your Spotify Wrapped 2022. All you basically got to do is go to Spotify. Now here you can see your Spotify Wrapped right about there. Now if that doesn't show up, I made video about that, how to fix that issue. I will leave the link of that video in the description. Now you can just simply click on it. And some of these stories you can actually share individually. Some of these stories are just like, they just want to tell you something. Now go to the last one. If you just click on share, select one option to share your Spotify Wrapped 2022. You can share on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok. You also can copy the link and share the link